Hey everyone, how's it going? So I am here with the Tesla Hansshow 7-inch display for Tesla Model 3 and Y. And we have it installed. So as you can see, it sits flush with the whole trim. It looks like it came with the vehicle. Surprisingly, it is very nice compared to what it looks like in the photo. And as you can see here, we have map set up. So anything on Google Play is fair play. You can download those. However, want to start fresh with the home page. So this user interface, you can see the icon here. They copy exactly how the Tesla Model S and X refresh looks like for the rear display. One huge difference with this display, it has Bluetooth. So you can connect this with a headphone. So let's say you have Bose, you have Apple, AirPods, or you have, let's say, Beats audio headset. You can put that on, sync it with this display, and not bother anyone else in the car. So in the Tesla Model X and S refresh, if you play a video here, the whole car will hear it. So it plays through the system of the Tesla vehicle. Now that can be annoying for front passenger and driver, and you will find it very annoying. Another good thing about this is that you can also sync it with the actual Tesla speaker if you like. So it can play to the Tesla sound system. So let's go through this user interface. The whole setup is very similar to that of the 8-inch display. So you have your home page here. I do like this icon and background. A new feature with this display, you actually see your vehicle and battery percentage, how much range you have left. So your rear passenger can actually see how much power you have left in the battery. Just like you were in a plane and you want to see how far you are from, or how fast you're going and how far you are. So similar information on here. Even when you open up a passenger door or any door of the vehicle, you get an alert on here. So if you're a rear passenger, you forgot to close your door tightly, this alert will come on. It will notify your door is not fully closed. Of course, you can turn off that feature if you don't like it. Media control, so volume, play and stop, forward and back. You also have climate control. I'm not going to go to too much detail there. Very similar to, actually exactly the same as the 8-inch display. You have your temperature, you can increase, decrease. You have seat heater, seat warmer. You can turn all of them on, or you can turn all of them off at the same time. You have different levels, 3 levels, just like if you were to control it from the driver or front passenger seat. You have an indicator if your seatbelt is not on. You have circulation. And again, you have to turn on the front climate for the climate in the rear to work. So you can turn on and off the rear climate. At least you have control with that. Temperature, it controls the whole vehicle and also the fan speed. You can turn on and off the seat warmer independently of what the front driver or passenger does. So we're talking volume control, mute, AC, heater, okay? So if you go to the icon, you have YouTube. You can download anything on Play Store. So Google Play Store. I recently downloaded HBO Max, YouTube for Kids. I haven't figured out how to get Disney Plus yet, but I believe you have to change your location to be able to get that, and Netflix. And that's how snappy it is. So let me show you a quick video of the quality. So this is a 4K video that is embedded within the hard drive of this device. I wouldn't say it's 4K, but very close, especially with these videos that are loaded into the system. When you're actually streaming, the highest quality I think it gets is roughly about 1080p. It really depends on your data. But this, however, looks very close to 4K. I wouldn't say it's 4K exactly, but very close. So to get out, you hit on the home, go back home. Turn your vehicle. Again, you have Bluetooth, you have Wi-Fi connection, you have Siri or Google Voice, location indicator. Really like this feature. It tells you where you are currently. So if you go to Maps, you can look at Google Maps, you can look at terrain, traffic. You can actually see traffic on here as well. So the data is a little slow here. I'm actually using a hotspot. So it's really dependent on your hotspot data. This does have the 3 USB. So you have, let's see if I can get it on video here. There you go. You actually have USB-C in the middle, USB-A, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C. So one data on the left and two power. There's nothing up here, nothing on the side. Now your seat doesn't rub onto the display anymore. So I have this Hansshow passenger seat controller. You can see the clearance. With the 8-inch display, it does rub on it. But with the 7-inch, it's a perfect size. So again, here's the map. Of course, you can go terrain, or you can go hit on satellite, turn on traffic. You can turn on bicycling, 3D, any fire in the area, street view, public transit, air quality. So very, very neat feature. And you have your quick drop down, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, car settings, sound setting, system optimize, clean screen. That's just any history you want to clean out. And that basically the functionality of it. Very straightforward. In the manual, it does say you can utilize Apple CarPlay. I haven't figured that out yet, but in the manual, it does say that. I know for sure you can do Android stuff on here. So Android Auto, you can do that on here. Check them out from Hansshow, link in the description. Christmas sale right now. You order more than $200 worth, you get a gift, possible gift of puddle lights or ornaments. Thanks for watching.